Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy for those of you who don't know me. Today we're going to be trying on some Romwe bathing suits that I purchased. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe below and hit that thumbs up button. On to the video. Okay guys, so I purchased 4 different types of styles of bathing suits from Romwe. As you can tell, all of the bottoms are very similar. They're all high-waisted, which is something that I personally prefer, but they do have different styles to choose from. The tops do vary in styles all the way from tank tops to strapless. I did choose a size small in all of these bathing suits. Right here, I've added my measurements as a reference point for you guys to have. I've also added my measurements down below in the description as well as the links to the bathing suit. Let's go ahead and try it on. This is bathing suit number 1. I absolutely love this color. It's almost like a tie-dye blue. It's a very unique color, something that you don't normally see. I do love the top on this bathing suit. It has a nice little cutout here in the front, which I thought was very unique, something that we don't normally see in regular bathing suits. And again, as I mentioned before, the high-waisted bottoms I absolutely love. I like how it fits me and I like how it hugs my body. Okay guys, so this is bathing suit number 2. I absolutely love this color. The moment I saw it, I knew that I had to have it. It's this nice tie-dye bright color, something extremely different, and I know it's very much in style now, but it was definitely something very out of my comfort zone as well, just because of this top. This top is not something that I would normally pick for myself, but it does have this nice little V-cut here that holds your breasts very nicely and gives you a nice form. It also does have the little straps up here where it allows you to adjust, which is also a very nice feature. You don't have to tie it here in the back. It's just almost like a slip-on bathing suit, which is very nice and very convenient. Once again, I do love these bottoms. These are also the high-waisted ones that I had mentioned before. I love how they fit, but one thing I do have to mention is that they are pretty cheeky. So if this is something that makes you uncomfortable or you don't like, this may not be your style, but they do have other ones to choose from, especially in these colors as well. Okay guys, so this is bathing suit number 3. I do gotta say, this is something very different. I fell in love with it as well when I saw it online. It's something that I don't own in my closet. I love this color. It's a nice pink tie-dye. Again, something that's in style. I do love the detail that it has here on the side of the strings. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you guys could really appreciate it and take a look at that. It's very nice. It's not tight at all, which is fantastic, and it doesn't take out your little rolls on the side, which is great. I do love the back of this bottom. I think that it's gorgeous. It's very different, very unique. One thing I do have to mention though about the top, which I was kind of concerned about it and I'm going to have to adjust it a little bit more, is that these strings in the back are extremely long. So definitely this is something that I'm gonna have to cut and just adjust because that's a lot of string. But I do love the crisscross pattern here in the back and how it ties up almost like a corset. This is something different, again, something that I haven't seen before, and it's very nice for summer. Okay guys, last but not least, this is bathing suit number 4. I do love this color. It's a nice tie-dye color, another bright one for summer. I love this bottom. Again, it's the high-waisted bottoms, which I absolutely love. I love how it fits and how it hugs my body in all the right places. I do have to say, this is one of the bathing suits that are out in style now. I'm not a big fan of the top. I was kind of unsure when I bought it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not. But definitely the top is a little bit more out of my comfort zone. I don't know if you could see. It has a nice little detail. It has the 2 strings that come up on the top and also tie in the back in 2 different places. For this bathing suit, I did have to remove the padding from the inside just because it gave it a weird look. But overall, it's a nice bathing suit. Okay guys, so that is it for today. I do want to mention though, before we go, when I went ahead and I opened up the bag of Romwe bathing suits, I did realize that it did come in Shein packaging. I don't know if you guys have heard or have seen before that I believe that Romwe and Shein are the same company, so just don't be surprised if you order something from Romwe and it comes in this sort of packaging. I also did want to mention that they don't do returns or exchanges when it comes to bathing suits and bodysuits, so just make sure that you take a look at your measurements before you make your purchase. If you enjoyed this video, or if you want to see other similar videos just like this, go ahead and subscribe below and give a thumbs up. If you have any recommendations, leave a comment down below. See you soon!